Hello, I would like to see Dr. Smith.
Let me check. Yes, Dr. Smith is available.
Great. What do I need to do next?
Please pay the consultation fee. Then take a number and wait until we call you.
Okay, thank you. Anna pays the fee and gets her number. She waits in the waiting area. Anna's number is called.
Hello, Anna. How can I help you today?
Hello, doctor. I feel tired and I have a sore throat.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Let me check. Your temperature is a bit high, but nothing serious. It's a mild throat infection.
Oh, I see.
I will give you medicine for 5 days, drink warm water, and get some rest.
Thank you, doctor.
Here is your prescription. Please collect the medicine from the pharmacy on the ground floor.
Anna goes to the pharmacy. She gives the prescription to the pharmacist. Hello, this is my prescription.
Okay, please wait 1 moment. Here are your medicines. Take 1 tablet in the morning and 1 at night.
Thank you. Let's learn some hospital words from today's video. Receptionist, the person who helps you at the front desk. Doctor, the person who checks your health. Prescription, paper with medicine written by the doctor. Pharmacy, the place where you get your medicine. Pharmacist, a person who gives medicine at the hospital or pharmacy. Consultation, meeting the doctor to talk about your health. Medicine, something you take to feel better. Now let's do a practice together. Fill in the blanks. Here are the correct answers. Let's practice a role play. You will be Anna, and I will be the doctor.
Hello, how can I help you today? Do you have a fever? I will give you some medicine. Take rest and drink warm water. Here is your prescription. Take care.
Great job. Try the same with your friend or family. Today, Anna visited the hospital, talked to the receptionist and the doctor, and collected her medicine. She is now on her way home. In the next episode, we will see what happens in the taxi ride.